Hello, and welcome to another tutorial of Leading Tech. In the last video, we've learned to create an email signature, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to add an email signature into your email accounts. But before starting the tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. As you can see, I've opened Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo accounts all in separate tabs in order to add our signature in all the email platform. So, the first step is to copy the whole signature. Open up the Gmail account and go to the setting icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then select See All Setting. The setting window will open on your screen. Scroll the window a little down. Here you can see the signature option. Go to Create Signature and give your signature a name. And click on Create. Now paste the copied signature in the given text box. As you can see, our signature is perfectly copied into the account. Now scroll a bit more down, and here you can see the two options to select signature for new email and for reply or forward emails. It's up to you to add a signature to both the options or to one of them. Now scroll to the bottom of the window and select Save Changes. For testing, we will click on Compose New Message. Here you can see, you don't need to paste your signature with every mail. Your signature is automatically added to your new email. Next, we are going to our Outlook account. Here you will see the setting icon on the top right corner of the screen as in Gmail. Write email signature in the search box and select it. As you can see, we have a text box here too. Again, we will paste the copied signature here and click on the Save option, and in this way, you will successfully add the signature into your Outlook account too. After Gmail and Outlook account, we will come towards our Yahoo account. Go to the setting option in the corner of the screen and select More Setting on the bottom. Now select Writing Email on the left side of the screen. Here you will see your email address in the signature option. It is asking for turning the signature on. Click on that option to turn it on. After turning it on, it opens up the text box. Paste your signature, and you can also see the preview of it. So here, we have come to the end of this video. Hope you have learned something interesting. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.